the meet officially, and we're gonna take this beautiful tube off. Turn off this music. It's just a beautiful day today. Temperature 72, 8:53 in the morning. There we go. We got a tube off following me. And you know what's a cool thing about this Terminator meet is that it's evolved. You know, I don't have a Terminator meet, and this was I started this when I had my 03 Cobra, but like I said, I still have a lot of love for the 03 Cobra community, and I think the meet should not stop because of one person, you know. So it is my duty to continue making these meets and you know, evolving them and you know, showing love to the New Age community that show so much love to me when I started doing YouTube. Obviously, I still have immense appreciation for those cars, and even though I'm in a S550 Mach 1, it doesn't mean that I don't love these cars. However, as you could imagine, I did open up the meet to other cars, and I did that before when I had the 03 Cobra, because I want more Mustang enthusiasts to just come and just have a great time and just hang out with us. Alright guys, so this is the meet for today. I waited for us to get a little bit more cars, and we got them. So alright, so let me just go through a little bit. This is GT. It's pretty much a stock tube off, but it looks pretty nice. So I'll just show you a little bit around, like the seats. Looks so clean. This is actually my neighbor, so it's pretty good. So this is very actually cool, and this is the first time that we had it on the meet. So we got this is a Mystic Chrome Termi, and it's believe it or not, it's all original. So if you take a look here, you can see that it even has the extra filter up here on the fender, which is actually very rare. Still got the stock pulley shroud, which is exactly rare. And it's an awesome car. 11,000 miles, something like that. And then we got a 95 Cobra. 100 and what? How many miles? 101. So there you go. That's the owner right there. And pretty awesome. He brought the car to the meet, so it's pretty cool. Yeah, man. Yeah, I appreciate it, man. Thank you. This is Rich. So you had a 94, right? Was it a Cobra?
I had a
GT.
94 Cobra. I had a 95 GT.
That's the one that you got a wreck?
That was the one that I wrecked, yeah.
Yeah. Versus a semi?
What's that?
Versus a semi?
Versus semi.
Yeah, I remember you told me about that.
Semi took it
so
out.
this thing, it's so clean, man. Thank you for bringing it.
Yeah, no, thank you guys for doing this.
Of course, of course.
We've been waiting for this for a couple months.
Awesome, man. I appreciate it. You guys seen this car, but 36,000 miles, pulley car, probably like 450. So clean. And then we got here my boy George. Did you get that intake? That's new, right? GLT? That's new. Alright, I haven't seen that one.
Did you put the killer chiller up?
Got the candy bell. You guys seen this car, but this car is so cool, so iconic on the channel, and I just love it. Always cool to see George. Got my Mach 1 here, all stock, but you know, still cool. Love me some S550 too. And this car, it's actually new, so I'll tell you a little bit about this car. And it's cool. This is an original Roush car, but this one has a 04 motor, and as you can see right here, we got a VMP Gen 3R. This one's, I don't know, I think it's still stock bottom end. It's got LMR cams, I believe. It's running full 85. It's not tuned completely. It's got a full return fuel style system. And once it's ready, it should be making over 800 real wheel horsepower. And it's just awesome. It's just an awesome car, rare car, and I surely do appreciate it. Surely appreciate it. See, side exit right here. Oh man, it's just so cool, so cool. The interior is also incredible. Check out, guys, how clean this car. You know, I love the steering wheel of this car. Still got the Roush gauges, but look how clean the seats are. Terminator seats. And just the interior of this car, I believe this car only has 38,000 miles, and it just looks so freaking clean. We got Randy here with 19 Bullet. Surely do appreciate him for always coming here to the meet and bringing out his awesome 19 Mustang Bullet. So GT350 intake manifold, bigger throttle body, just the same as my Mach 1. Beautiful color paint. You can see the wheels. This one got the Recaro seats. It just looks pretty sweet. So yeah, guys, this is the meet so far. We are expecting some other cars to show up, and hopefully we'll get him here sometime soon. But this is the meet so far.
A little later.
Help when the speedway's closed.
Yeah, right, for real.
I don't know where we can race. Let me take
This thing is so clean.
Yeah. What's a dyno horsepower?
Not yet.
Nothing.
No.
Fresh build.
Yup. Fresh build.
That's awesome.
1,000 plus. Tell you that.
Oh, more. I think 6. He doesn't have 6. 6 or 7.
Look at the turbos, man. This thing is
What size
nutty,
turbos are on it?
dude.
57.
Incredible build.
Okay.
Yeah, 57 on both sides.
So this actually started life honestly as a V6, but it transitioned to a Cobra, and it's a straight up race car.
It's a race car, bro. You know,
03 Cobra, incredible. Alright guys, pretty good turnout so far. So I'm gonna give you guys an update of what's going on. And this is supposed to be 1,000 horsepower. No real numbers, but I've seen this car. Termi, 98 supercharged. We got the Mach 1, and I don't know if you guys remember this car. This car drove from Tampa all the way out here, so it's pretty awesome.
George is wild.